70% of U.S. HOAs are underfunded. The national HOA crisis. Across the United States, over 70% of the HOA communities are underfunded. 50% are severely underfunded, and nearly 30% are functionally insolvent. This is not a local problem, a management problem, or a your board messed up problem. This is a national structural failure baked into the HOA system itself. Millions of homeowners are living inside a financial trap they never saw coming. A trap that will demand more money, not more math, as the solution. The crisis is simple to describe and devastating to experience. HOAs have been collecting too little for too long, while buildings have been aging too fast and too expensively. The result is a slow-moving financial collapse, now accelerating into special assessments, loan defaults, insurance failures, and property value erosion across the country. The scale of the crisis: when 3 out of 4 HOA communities in the nation are underfunded, this is no longer a governance issue. It is a national housing stability issue. 70% underfunded equals reserves below recommended levels. 50% severely underfunded equals reserves below 50% funded. 30% insolvent equals cannot meet obligations without emergency assessments or borrowing. This is the equivalent of discovering that 70% of bridges, schools, or hospitals in the country have no maintenance budget. If this were any other sector, it would be declared a federal emergency. How homeowners got trapped. Most homeowners never received a warning, a disclosure, or even a hint that their HOA was financially unstable. Instead, they were told, your dues are stable. We're doing fine. We'll handle it. No need to raise assessments. But the truth was hidden in the math. Buildings age every year. Construction costs rise every year. Reserves must grow every year. HOAs did not increase dues every year. This mismatch created a structural deficit that compounds over time. By the time homeowners finally see the numbers, the deficit is so large that the only solution offered is more money from the homeowners. Why this crisis feels like a bad dream? The sheer volume. Tens of thousands of HOA communities makes the crisis feel unreal. But the nightmare becomes real the moment a homeowner receives a $15,000 special assessment, a $35,000 special assessment, a $90,000 special assessment, or worse, multiple assessments stacked over 1 to 3 years. This is not hypothetical. This is happening right now across the country. The dream becomes a nightmare when homeowners realize they were never told the truth. They were never shown the math. They were never given informed consent. The financial trap. The trap looks like this. Underfunded reserves accumulate quietly for years. Deferred maintenance grows into multi-million-dollar repair needs. Insurance premiums spike due to aging infrastructure and risk. Budget overruns because operating costs outpays the dues. Boards avoid raising dues to avoid political backlash. The deficit grows until it becomes unmanageable. Homeowners are hit with massive special assessments. This is not mismanagement. This is structural design failure. The national pattern. Across the U.S., the same systems appear. Reserve deficits in the millions. Percent funded below 50%. Aging buildings with 20 to 40 years of deferred maintenance. Insurance carriers exiting HOA markets. Emergency loans with double-digit interest rates. Homeowners forced to sell or default. Property values collapsing under the weight of assessments. This is not a coincidence. This is a systematic national pattern. Why more money becomes the only answer. When an HOA is underfunded for 10, 20, or 30 years, the math becomes unforgiving. At this point, you cannot budget your way out. You cannot cut expenses. You cannot wait for better times. You cannot hope the board figures it out. The only lever left is cash from homeowners. This is why millions of Americans are about to experience the same painful reality. The HOA system will demand more money from you because the math was ignored for decades. The homeowners are awakening. The nightmare becomes real the moment homeowners finally see the reserve study, the percent funded, the deferred maintenance list, the operating deficits, the insurance crisis, the upcoming special assessments. They were living inside a financial collapsing system that was never designed to succeed long term. The path forward. The national HOA crisis cannot be solved by hope, optimism, politics, trustless messaging, cosmetic transparency, volunteer boards without financial training. It can only be solved by full financial transparency, accurate reserve studies, realistic dues increases, professional financial oversight, state and federal disclosure reform, tools that expose the truth in real time. This is why platforms like HOA TrueView matter. They give homeowners the one thing they've never had, the truth. Conclusion. The national HOA crisis is not coming, it is already here. Millions of homeowners are about to learn that the system they trusted was financially unstable from the start. 70% underfunded, 50% severely underfunded, 30% insolvent. This is not a bad dream. This is the reality of the American HOA system. And unless transparency becomes the new standard, the nightmare will continue one special assessment at a time.